Hello everyone. This is Mimi from MimisCraftyShoppe. Welcome to my channel, or if you've not ever been here, thanks for stopping by. I have two vintage kits that I have recently finished, and these are actually a new area that I am getting into for my Etsy store. So I'm just excited to be able to do these and had so much fun gathering the material. It was just like going shopping for myself. So I'm showing you here this kit, which is the Fall Blessing kit, and I've done a little slow stitching. I've got yo-yos, I've got vintage buttons, laces, all kinds of different fabrics, and coordinated just all kinds of goodies that you could use if you were wanting to make a junk journal, or collages, wall hanging, slow stitching, put it on something, crazy quilting. It's just all kinds of goodies here. And I've also made a few things. On the very first of this, there was a postcard that I had made up, and I just had a real good time doing this. So I hope y'all like them, and I will be adding a few more to the mix on different ones, pink and blue. I think I got a black and gold one, but it's just something else I kind of wanted to start doing, and I hope y'all like it. And there's some upholstery fabrics. This one has a hint of blue, so that's why I incorporated some of the blue material with it. And then on the back side, I'm adding a scrapbook paper that kind of goes with it too, that you could use in your crafts. I just love that material right there. That actually was a vintage shirt that I got at a resale shop. So it was just so pretty. I loved it and knew that I wanted to use it with my fall stuff. So here is the autumn bird theme. I've had this bird fabric for a long time, and that's a little snippet that my mom actually made up, and when we were at her house, and I got it from her. And there's some Chanel bedspread that she gave me from her stash, and some vintage buttons, and I have some little scrapbook what do you call those, little cards. That's actually a little flower that I made up too a while back. I love this iridescent ribbon here. I don't know where I got it, but it's just so pretty. I love it. Another one of those little trading cards, and some more of that beautiful fabric that I trimmed up. I've got some lovely coordinating laces and little crochet, a couple of yo-yos, some hexies that you can use too in your project. Like I said, I've just had so much fun gathering and have been doing this for quite some time, and I just am so excited I can add this to my Etsy store and have a few other things for people to kind of look at. I love this material right here. I recently bought that from a lady from Etsy, so I loved it and knew that I wanted to use it. And that's some really pretty lace, vintage lace there. Some lovely trims. I love those trims. That pretty green color. That's another piece of material I got from a lady. And also, this came from my mom's stash. That is a vintage, not a tablecloth, but placemat. And that was some more fabric I've had for a long time. Some more of that beautiful shirt fabric, and then which I love it because the textures are just fabulous. This is a quilt that we had made for our mom back about 30-40 years ago, probably now, and she washed it a lot, and it's kind of a little bit more ratty than it used to be, and so she let me have it, and so I'm going to use it in my crafts. And this here is a beautiful scrapbook paper. So anyway, thank y'all so much for stopping by, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and y'all have a blessed and wonderful day.